Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of my team, I would like to welcome you to our presentation of PeakTrack, the concussion detecting earphone health tracker. Head concussions are among the leading causes of mortality worldwide. Extreme sports, construction work, military training, among others, are all activities where mild brain injury with disastrous long-term effects can occur. Unlike most head injuries and lacerations, mild concussions display very subtle symptoms that are nearly impossible to notice without medical attention. In particular, some brain injury may seem meaningless at first, but can have tragic consequences in the long term, like with Ms. Natasha Richardson, Liam Neeson's late wife, who died of an epidural hemorrhage following a ski accident. Therefore, it is important to be able to better visualize the occurrence of a brain injury, which is where PeakTrack comes in place. Brain injury is caused by abrupt brain accelerations due to shocks or collisions. PeakTrack aims at detecting these accelerations using a high G 3-axis accelerometer fitted in one of the most common accessory of day-to-day life, earphones. Lodged in the ear, PeakTrack will be able to accurately sense head motion and acceleration and report the data to an intuitive smartphone app. What's more, the outer ear canal is ideal for accurately sensing data emitted by the human body. PeakTrack's ingenious electronics and packaging allows for a set of essential health tracking sensors to be integrated in the earphones, such as a temperature sensor, low G accelerometer, and pressure sensor. Through its innovative in-ear fit, novel concussion detection feature, and essential health tracking sensors, PeakTrack aims at providing a versatile and accurate wearable tracker that could potentially save millions of lives. In the past 5 years, we've seen the market of wearable health and fitness trackers grow tremendously. The market is expected to grow by 400% by 2020, with new entrants constituting 38% of the total market. What's more, an opportunity in the insurance market is to be seized. 22% of insurers are developing a strategy to use wearable device, while only 3% currently use them. While wearable tech giants such as Fitbit or Apple lead the market with their wrist-attached devices, no efforts have been made up to date to tackle the issue of brain injury. What's more, wrist-fitted health devices suffer from poor data acquisition fidelity due to the loose fit of wristbands. We place ourselves in the top right corner of the presented competitor map. Our fit in-ear resembles Braggie's fitness tracker, while our versatile device caters towards high-risk activities where users are more concerned by health metrics than fitness-related data. PeakTrack's versatile size and robustness enables implementation in earphones or earbuds, but also helmets, boxing gloves, and many more. As mentioned previously, concussions can occur in a wide range of activities, and we identify the following potential customers: insurance companies and construction professionals, snow sport and extreme sport enthusiasts, military personnel, and miscellaneous sport enthusiasts. Overall, we count more than 455 million potential customers across a wide variety of market segments, making PeakTrack truly a billion-dollar concept. We are looking to carry out a layered go-to-market strategy. The first layer pertains to insurance companies and professionals. Indeed, such a personalized on-site health tracking device would prove to be a valuable addition to certain health premium packages for construction and heavy industry workers. The second layer would pertain to a consumer audience composed of snow sport enthusiasts and athletes. Skiers and snowboarders are prime customers for health tracking accessories and are most at risk of untreated mild concussion, as medical attention is hardest to find in mountains and ski slopes. Once a sustained revenue stream and brand name is established, we can begin expanding to a wider variety of sport activities and military applications by tailoring our product to better fit the needs of each market segment. Our greatest asset lies in our team of passionate and qualified Columbia University students. Karim is a graduate from the Swiss Institute of Technology, where he majored in mechatronics and manufacturing processes. From his extensive project-based curriculum, Karim has the know-how to carry out embedded programming and PCB design for the electronics. Aykut studied mechanical engineering in Boğaziçi University, Turkey. He is a wearable tech and health tracking enthusiast who's previously worked on implantable technology. Emily is a combat veteran who led teams of terrorism intelligence analysts during her 8-year Army career. She has extensive marketing experience ranging from developing a comprehensive marketing plan for her own startup to conducting CRM analysis and consumer research for a global fashion brand. Gregory is also a mechanical engineering student with a strong background in sensors and mechanical design. He was instrumental in conceiving the device in a MEMS class in the School of Engineering. In the future, we are looking to take in a chief operating officer, a programmer to set up the mobile app, and a medical expert for all concussion-related signal processing. Our business model will be based on direct sales of the finished product. We plan on outsourcing the components, collaborating with an industrial design office for the earphone packaging, and outsource the final assembly based on our designs. We estimate a total investment of approximately $4 million within 3 years to fund the following steps. 1. Production design and IP registration. From idea to design on paper, we expect to require $500,000 in seed funding over a year in order to cover the initial development costs and apply for a patent. 2. Prototyping and testing. Once the design is validated, we will begin manufacturing and testing our prototypes. We expect that phase to last 1 year and require approximately $1.5 million in Series A funding. 3. Marketing and promotion. While the prototype is being validated, we expect to begin marketing and promoting the product among distributors and the general public before beginning production. We expect an additional $2 million for our sales and marketing effort. 4. Production and sales. Once our distribution channels have been established, we will begin production. We expect cash flow from pre-orders to be sufficient to start manufacturing. In case of an excess in predicted orders, we may require additional Series B funding for growth. Our Year 1 financial analysis is based on selling 165,000 units, which represent a conservative 0.22% of the total health tracker market share, with an average price point of $150 and a 48% profit margin consistent with an industry benchmark. Through our projections, we expect to break even by Year 1. Given a total investment of $4 million, when calculating projected net income each year through Year 10 and assuming a discount rate of 10%, the total net income over 10 years would be $34 million, resulting in a 9 times return on investment. A detailed breakdown of our financial projections can be found in the appendix. Thank you for your time.